Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Tiny Tuesday, my friends. We are back at it again. Can you believe it? So exciting. We're going to work on some savings challenges, and we're going to count up the funds we have here. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We have $25 here today. I would love to complete one of these savings challenges, maybe 2 of them. I don't know how many we're going to complete today, but I would love to complete some. Tomorrow is my sinking funds cash stuffing, and so we kind of want to put some money into those envelopes. I do have my Mini Monday, Freebie Fridays, and Saving Saturdays. All the saving challenges that I've completed, not very many, but that money is already in that binder, ready to be stuffed. So we're going to see how much more we're adding. Let me set these up really quickly. We need to roll the dice. Grab my dice, and we're going to see which, well, yeah, let's do it that way, because I think we need to, we'll see how much each saving challenge is getting. I could have left it in the binder for all that, but let's go ahead and go for it. $4, 2, 4. Does that complete the savings challenge? That does. This one's completed. So lucky us. 1. This one just needs one more dollar. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 6. All right, so this one just needs one more. We're going to go ahead and add it. These two are completed. Boom, and let's see. Oh, we need quite a bit of cash there. All right, 5. All right, we have $1 left. We have $1 left. Let's see where we can add this dollar, because we might need it on number 5. Okay. All of these savings challenges I did get from Baddie Bankroll as freebies. So all of them you will be able to find in her Ko-Fi shop. This one, we're going to make each symbol $1, and we are adding $6 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to write $1 somewhere on here, because what ends up happening is I'll go through my savings challenges and then I don't remember how much I set them for. So I try to remember to write somewhere on there the amount each image, circle, square, whatever is going to be valued at. Okay, perfect. All right, the next one, we have $1. And there is a 1, but I think we're going to go ahead and add this dollar and color in the 2. So when we actually need the 1, we'll have it. Perfect. All right, and this beauty is getting 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to color in 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are making fantastic progress. Let's see here. In total, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, this next savings challenge is getting $3. And each image is worth $2. I didn't write that on there, but I can tell by the amount of money. So ones. We're adding 3. We have 1, 2, and then we'll do half. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This savings challenge, we're adding $2, and that means we completed this beauty. See what we have saved. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, 16 bucks there. And this was the other one we completed. So we added 4 bucks. And we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Yes. All right. That's awesome. All right, so we have some savings done. Let me put these away. All right, so now you know what we're working with. These are the savings challenges that I have completed so far this month using these freebies from Batty Bankroll. And this is the cash I've saved. We are going to add in more savings challenges. I mentioned before that I typically like to save the money for each savings challenge before moving on, but I think I'm going to keep this binder in rotation until I complete all of the savings challenges that I have. Just because what ended up happening is I printed a bunch of her savings challenges because obviously they're really pretty, and I thought to myself, oh, okay, well, I'll do them at some point, but at some point has to be now, because I keep trying to print more and more savings challenges and not completing the ones I already have. So I have a couple of other binders, Means Budgets, I have hers, her savings challenges, and I have Jessie Budgets. She sent me some coffee savings challenges, so I'm hoping to put those in rotation soon. But I get these savings challenges and then I don't do them because I keep printing more and more. So let's see here. We need to get some money, bigger bills. Let's see. All right, so there's 20, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we will put this here and see if we have $20, and then we will make this a bigger bill. Oh, maybe. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let me grab a $20 bill. All right, so we have a 20, and I'm just going to put this back. Perfect. And let's see if we can break anything else or get any other bigger bills. And no, we cannot. I do know that I don't want to cash stuff $2 bills into my sinking funds because I like to keep those as savings. So let me just grab 2 of these bills back. Okay. So far, this month, we saved a little bit of cash. And we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, $94. We've saved $94 just from doing Tiny Tuesday, Thirsty Thursday. I am putting this cash into my sinking funds envelope because I would like to complete my sinking funds cash stuffing tomorrow. Let me grab that binder. All right, I got her. We are just going to add the funds here. I keep an envelope in the back here for my completed savings challenges, the money. So let's see here. What I will do, I don't want you to know how much we're stuffing tomorrow. I want you to come back tomorrow to see how much we're stuffing. I do need to grab some bigger bills. So I'm going to do that really quickly. All right, so this is all of the cash. I got a little bit bigger bills, not too many, but I will try to work on that before I do my other video. We'll see. But yes, come back tomorrow to see how much we are putting into our sinking funds, which really need some cash at this point because we have been out and about. We did get a little bit of snow earlier this month. Not crazy, just flurries and enough to make us not go out. But for the most part, we've gotten some good days. So with the nice weather, we're outside and we need some money in those sinking fund envelopes. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.